Hello guys, welcome to Cash Trader. This is our demo, and yes, I'm going to take you through the whole platform and show you the capability of our AI, Cash Trader AI. So here is our landing page, www.cashradar.ai. When you come here, you look at the whole setup. Here explains everything about Cash Trader, and how to contact us, how to use the AI, and you know just everything per se. And here you have to sign up, you know sign up, put in your details and all of that. But I'm already signed up, so I'll go ahead to log in. And yes, this is the features. you know these are our features, the case trader features. So the first one is the legal advisor, which helps advise you, on any area of law. It gives you personalized legal advice. Let's say you don't want to talk to someone about your legal issues, you can come here and talk to our AI, and your data is safe. You are protected. So we have samples here, um, that you can use to test AI. And the truth is, when you sign up on our platform and log in for the first time, you have 3 free trials here. But myself, I'm on the yearly plan, and yeah, I have 9 months and 19 days remaining. So here your time counts, and we have different subscription plans, as low as 1,000 naira for an hour, 3,000 for the daily plan, 25,000 for the monthly plan, and 180,000 for the yearly plan. So going back to the legal advisor, let me ask it a question, and it will advise me. Okay. So let's say, so I have a business partner. So I have a business partner based in Nigeria, and I want him to help us set up our business in Nigeria. Okay, in Nigeria. I am from, let's say, London. I'm from London. Full stop. What should I look out for? So, you see how fast our AI is. If you look at it, you see it just brought out everything. So here it says, when setting up a business in Nigeria, it is important to consider the legal requirements and regulations for foreign companies. Some key aspects to look out for include obtaining the necessary business permits and licenses, complying with tax laws, and understanding the local business customs and culture. It is important to have a clear and detailed partnership agreement, in place to prevent any potential conflict or misunderstanding. Additionally, it may be beneficial to consult with a local attorney here in Nigeria, who can provide specific guidance and assistance based on your unique situation. So what this does is, it gives you more like an introductory understanding. It explains the situation for you and what you need to do, and then it refers you to a lawyer. And that's why you have a find a lawyer feature here, where you can easily search for a lawyer based on areas of practice, or based on the state and location. And I'm currently in the FCT, which is Abuja, and I can easily, yeah, yeah, I can easily search for someone, you know based on the location. So FCT, um, FCT search, and it brings out Amana Akali, who is a lawyer based in the FCT. Here you see his phone number, see his email address, and you see his LinkedIn profile. And you can always check another person, and you see Chuko Dikene Okeke, who's also based in the FCT, and you see his number, you see his bio, you see his email, you see his LinkedIn profile, and you see his location. So now here we have the researcher. Before we go to researcher, let's check out the summarizer. So here you can upload documents and legal documents per se, and our AI will go ahead to summarize it for you and all of that. So let me upload this, and it's processing it. Okay, so now I can go ahead and summarize. I can summarize half page or full page, half page or full page, and at the end of the day I'll go ahead to download the file that has been summarized. So it's processing the document, and yes, this is the summary of the document here. I can decide to copy it, I can decide to download it. Here is the download button, here is the copy button, and here is the refresh button. If you don't like this particular summary the way it is, it can go ahead and summarize it again for you. And here you can share it across different platforms. Here you can share this particular document on your Facebook, Twitter X, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Telegram, and even your email address. So that's for the summarizer. Here we have the document generator. And looking back to the question we asked earlier, it said when we asked the legal advisor, it said you can generate partnership agreements between you and your partner to avoid conflicts. So here we already have samples. Here you can click on any of these, and here we said, so you can click here, or you can just ask your peculiar question and ask the AI to draft the document for you. So here we can say create a contract between a founder and a co-founder, and our platform using our AI will go ahead to draft the document for you. So yes, here's the document as it's generating a document for you. And just like we said earlier, you can copy it, you can refresh, redo or regenerate the response you've gotten from the AI. You can also share it across different platforms, and you can download it to your device as a document and edit it to your test. So that's for the document generator. You can generate any kind of Lego document on our platform. And then going over to the researcher, here you ask specific questions based on Nigerian laws, and it will go ahead to give the response. The difference between the legal advisor and the researcher is the legal advisor gives you short answers that are specific and straight to the point, and then directs you to find a lawyer to explain this in detail for you. And the researcher is different because we use Nigerian laws and judgments of the Nigerian courts to train the AI. So when you ask it questions, it go ahead to give you answers that are backed and supported by Nigerian laws and judgments of the Nigerian courts. So we can use any of these, or we can just type let's say, what will a judge do in a criminal matter where the defendant pleads guilty to a capital offense. So here is the answer. You see how detailed it is. It's breaking down all of this in detail, and it's much longer than what we have from the legal advice. So here it says, in a criminal matter where the defendant pleads guilty to a capital offense, the judge will enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of the accused if the charge is punishable by death. This is a mandatory requirement to ensure a fair trial, and failure to comply can render the trial invalid. This can be seen in the cases of Sunday Kajuba versus the State, 1988, 1 Nigerian Weekly Law Report, Part 73, Paragraph 721. See also the case of Honor Hakalo versus the States. Look at the citation, and this is the beauty of case shredder. The beauty of case shredder is here our researcher goes ahead to give you detailed response and supports the response with authorities, judgments of the court, and laws as well. So here you look at where it says the Evidence Act, and yes, that's all for case shredder. This is what our app does, and of course you can copy here. You can copy it. Okay, it's copied. You can regenerate this, and it will go ahead to regenerate the information that it earlier gave to you. And as well, you can share it to any platform, and you can download it to your device. So this one is much longer, so here it mentioned cases Okoro versus the States, same Sunday Kajuba versus the States, Eric Kanure versus the States, and all of that. So this is all for case shredder, and yes, we hope you check out and use our platform. For the general public, what we intend to achieve with case shredder is to make access to laws and knowledge of law to the public very, very accessible. Make it the access open, keep it open, and then for lawyers, we are trying to make law practice for lawyers to be more efficient, fast and easier, and cost friendly. Let's not keep it expensive, and then let's open up the floodgates of law for the masses. Thank you so much for walking through all of this with us, and we hope to see you sign up very soon. Thank you.